Hi, I'm Kati Morton. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist and YouTuber who has acquired over 100 million views. Here are 3 overlooked signs you struggle with creating healthy boundaries. Number 1, you burn out a lot. Whether it's friends, work, or helping others out, you tend to find yourself overcommitted. Number 2, people's wants or needs, or even emotions, can often derail your entire day. Number 3, you may get resentful or irritated when other people express their needs or ask you for something. If this is you, there is a solution. All these are indicators that your real issue may be related to setting boundaries. On January 6th and 13th of 2023, I'll be offering a live 2-day workshop that will empower you to set the boundaries you need to take back control of your life. In this workshop, I'll be covering and teaching you the following: understanding what boundaries are, the different types of boundaries that exist in our life. You will also learn why you need boundaries, how to set them, and what to do if someone refuses to respect them. This workshop will be to teach and provide practical skills and tools to implement these boundaries in your life starting immediately. During the live stream, I will leave time after each section for Q&A, and there will be downloadable worksheets so that you can continue the work on your own in between and after the sessions. Visit the link to learn more about and register for the 2-day live interactive workshop.